Hi Cricut Crafty friends, my name is Chris and I am the owner of Daily Dose of DIY, where I teach you how to use your Cricut and make super fun crafts. Today I'm not making a craft though. I've had so many questions on heat press settings, and you can go to Cricut's website and input your materials you're using and what you're going to press it on, and it will tell you the time and temp that you need to use. And it's a very handy tool. However, to go to the website every time is not always practical, and I find it a lot easier to have the sheet right next to me. So that's what I did. I made a sheet and I want to share it with you. So that's what this video is about. I will show you the time and temp sheet I made for the Cricut Easy Press. It is, and you can download and print your very own. I'm making it available to you for free. You can see here how you use it. So if you have the everyday iron on and you want to put it on chipboard, you just scroll down to chipboard and you see these two numbers. The first number, 315, that's the degrees you want to set your Easy Press to. And the second number, 30 seconds, that's the time that you want to press. Now, you'll also see over here red X's. If you see a red X in the column, it is not recommended that you use that material on, or you use like that vinyl on that material. So we're not going to use, let me scroll back up again, fusible fabric on burlap. That's just not recommended. And all of these, I don't have them marked until we get to the one that's warm peel. I think it's on the next page. Yes, mosaic. Here, mosaic has a warm peel. All the rest, if they are not listed, it's a cool peel after you press it. So let me show you next how to get this. I am going to direct link. I'll give you the link in the description down below, so be sure to go down there and click on that link. It will take you to my sign up page, where all you need to do is enter your first name and email address and then click submit. The email will be sent straight to you. Just open it up and click download the free guide, and there it will be. Once again, my name is Chris with Daily Dose of DIY. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your time and temp sheet. You come back and craft with me, and we heat press a lot more fun things. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more Cricut crafts and tutorials.